If you're trying to verify your LinkedIn account through Persona, but it keeps failing, freezing, or simply not loading, don't worry. This guide will walk you through exactly how to fix it. First, the most common reason Persona verification doesn't work is an outdated LinkedIn app. Before trying anything else, head to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Even a small pending update can stop the verification tool from working properly. Once updated, restart the app and try the verification again. If it's still not working, log out of your LinkedIn account, wait a few seconds, and then log back in. Sometimes a fresh session resets the verification flow, but if the issue continues, the problem might not be on your device. It may be something LinkedIn needs to fix on their end. So here's the most reliable solution. Open your browser on your phone or laptop and search for LinkedIn support. Open the official LinkedIn help page and make sure you're signed in with the account you're trying to verify. Once logged in, look for the option to contact support. You'll usually see a chat button or a contact us link. Reach out to them and explain that Persona verification isn't working for your account. Provide the details they request. This may include your email or phone number linked to your profile. Once you submit the issue, LinkedIn support team will review your case and respond directly through email with the next steps. Many users find that LinkedIn resolves the problem on their side once the case is submitted, and that's all you need. A quick update, a simple reset, and if needed, a direct message to LinkedIn support. Try these steps, and you should be able to complete your Persona verification smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your LinkedIn verification back on track.